Hey, what's up you gorgeous people? I'm Haley and welcome back to my channel, Sahira. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did this animal print nail art, so keep on watching. And as per usual, we're going to start off with a peel off base coat. And then I'm going to take this Holo Taco 1 coat black and apply 1 coat. And I gotta tell you guys, this is my favorite black polish. Damn, it really does cover in 1 coat and I love it. Right, next I'm gonna use this foil transfer glue from Bumpity and apply it on my nails. I'm gonna use this nail foil that I get from AliExpress and I'm just gonna cut it into little pieces and just apply it on my nails, and then I'm gonna rub it until the foil stick to the glue, and after that you can rip it out and look at that. Well, it's not perfect, this is my first time, so I'm so sorry. Okay, for nail foils you can either use a water-based top coat or gel top coat, so I'm gonna use gel top coat for this one. And I'm done. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more nail art, and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading a new video. I see you guys soon. Bye.